Navigating the Linguistic Minefield, Understanding Idioms. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms with a focus on one particularly vivid expression: navigate a minefield. This phrase captures the imagination and conveys complex ideas with just a few words. Let's explore together what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it effectively in your English conversations. The phrase, navigate a minefield, is used to describe a situation that is extremely difficult and dangerous where making mistakes could have serious consequences. Just like a real minefield, where you must carefully choose every step to avoid explosions, navigating a figurative minefield involves moving through a tricky situation with great caution and awareness. This idiom uses the imagery of a minefield, a place filled with explosive mines hidden under the ground, to convey the idea of a hazardous scenario. It's a metaphorical way to describe navigating through complex issues that require careful consideration and strategy to avoid blowing up an already tense or difficult situation. You'll often hear this expression in contexts related to politics, business, personal relationships, and other areas where sensitivity and tact are crucial. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase can be used. 1. In business, taking over the management of the team is like navigating a minefield. One wrong move and the morale could hit rock bottom. 2. In relationships, discussing finances with my partner can sometimes feel like navigating a minefield. It's easy to accidentally say something wrong. 3. In politics, the diplomat had to navigate a minefield of negotiations to ensure peace between the two countries. These examples show how the idiom can be applied to different scenarios, emphasizing the importance of careful action and decision-making. When using the phrase, navigate a minefield, keep in mind the following tips. Ensure the context is appropriate for the gravity the idiom suggests. It's best used in situations that are genuinely complex and fraught with potential problems. Pair it with verbs like trying to or attempting to emphasize the effort and care being taken in the difficult situation. Be mindful of your audience. This idiom is best for adult learners and should be used in contexts where your listeners are familiar with the concept of idioms. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the idiom, navigate a minefield. We hope this video has illuminated this intriguing expression for you and that you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is not just about expanding your vocabulary but also about enriching your understanding of the culture and nuances of the English language. See you in our next video, and keep navigating the wonderful world of English learning.